Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to access Facebook Marketplace. Sometimes you might want to buy or sell items locally, and Facebook Marketplace makes it really convenient. You can find everything from clothes, electronics, and furniture to vehicles, services, and even event tickets. Here's how you can access it and make the most of it. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Here, you'll see the Marketplace option. Tap on it to open. Once you're in the marketplace, you can browse items posted by people near you. You can use the search bar to find specific products or sellers, and apply filters like location, category, and price range to narrow down your options. You can also sort listings nearest or price to find exactly what you want. Facebook Marketplace also lets you chat directly with buyers or sellers using Messenger. You can ask questions, negotiate prices, or arrange safe meetups. Additionally, you can save favorite listings, get notifications for new items, even check seller ratings to ensure trustworthiness. By using these features, Facebook Marketplace becomes a powerful tool to buy, sell, and discover great deals all in your local area. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.